Hello, this is Laura at SkipperBud's in Marblehead, Ohio, and we are looking at a new brokerage listing. This is a 2022 Glastron 210GX. This is stock number B22819. Beautiful boat. It comes with the nice canvas, a two-part canvas, and it comes with the single axle gator hide trailer with brakes, nice swing tongue on the front. The trailer length for storage with the boat and the trailer length overall would be 21 feet 2 inches, and your height on the trailer is 6 feet 9 inches. This boat has a length overall of 21 feet, and it is powered with a Mercury 200. A standard option for this boat would be a Mercury 150, so it is upgraded. This will have plenty of power if you want to do water sports. It's just very well equipped. I love the ski tow bar that goes around the motor. I love that it is very secure, and it has, we've got 4 points of contact. And if you're looking to tow or ski with some adults, it'll be very, very efficient. I also like that the ladder is off to the side, and we have some nice placement for things to hold on to when we're getting in and out of the water. And it's got the nice sea deck on the back that goes all the way across. Nice layout and design if you're looking to be hanging out at the beach and you want to get in and out of the water very easily. It's a pretty nice design. Moving into the boat, we have a nice U-shaped seating, and the bolster, the passenger seat can flip back and forth. Plenty of storage under all the seats. Placement there for a cooler, as well as on the other side we have a spot for a cooler as well. And I love the snapping carpet, very easy to clean, comfortable on your feet, and a nice big storage like a ski locker in the center. Plenty of cup holders, more storage on this side, as well as a trash can under the walk-through. This boat is really well set up. It's got lighting and sound and plenty of connections for your devices, chargers, USB connections, stuff like that. We've got seating capacity for 11 people. And our helm is really well equipped. This boat has under 5 hours on the engine, so it is like new. If you want more information on this boat, please give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Again, this is Laura Hayes at SkipperBud's, 614-448-7658.